we are at Osnabrück, CIC, where HARTING is having their Innovation Hub, and annual press meet of HARTING started today. And we are having a very unexpected guest, Philip Harting. And it was very nice having you, listening you talking about your 80 years of anniversary. Also, the way HARTING is transforming with a new office in Zurich, bringing new people and having a more global outlook with English being, that was a big decision by a German company. So how is this transformation HARTING is going to take up?
Yes, so one part of our vision is that we want to become a global company. And if you take a look to the global geopolitical developments, it's very clear that we have to develop absolutely locally, in the regions. This is in China, this is in India, this is in Southeast Asia, and this is also, of course, in America, in North America. And this is why, we have now with John D'Souza, our first Chief Sales and Marketing Officer. He is from the US, so this means the company language now also in the board from now on is English. And our global distribution manager, Matt Baker, he has also been in our company already for more than 10 years. He will be globally responsible for the distribution channel. And he is also, American English spoken. And this means also another global leadership role now taking care of the US. And we announced that, we will go also with our headquarters. We move 16 managers from Germany to Switzerland, and then we recruit some more from global. Of course, John D'Souza is part of it, and of course this is much easier to recruit international experienced manager. It's better in Zurich or close to Zurich, and not Esbekamp is a little bit remote for that. And in addition to that, from the strategic perspective, our position, our aim is to become a leading company globally for connector and cable solutions. So almost 3 years ago, my family acquired Studer Cables, also a Swiss-based company, more than 85 years old already. Former family business founded by the Studer family. And they have one production plant in Däniken, which will be very close to our new headquarters. And my target is to bring together the connector engineers from HARTING and the engineers from Studer for the cables to develop best-in-class connector cable solutions. So suited for selected applications like energy market, like automotive market, like infrastructure market. This is also a clear focus from us. And this is why also, we have chosen the city of Baden, in the Canton Aargau for our new headquarters. And you mentioned India. We have a clear focus on India. We have started 20 years ago with opening our sales and marketing office in Chennai. Then we have introduced our manufacturing place. We have now enlarged the place already twice. And since 3 years, we are pushing. We have an innovation hub there. We have also opened an R&D center, also now in Bangalore, and looking for more and more IT software engineers as well to support our SAP team. So we have a clear focus on India. It's a growing market. It's a fantastic market. I love the people. I love the culture. I try to be there at least twice a year with travels to visit my team, employees and customers. And for the next decades, we have a clear investment strategy and focus for India. We want to further grow our business there and find new engineers.
I had a discussion with Jacob Chandy, your managing director for India, and he was telling that, the belief in HARTING, especially the vision what you are having for building local markets, will see India more investments from HARTING.
Yes, absolutely. And I have absolutely agreement with Jacob. We are absolutely on the same page regarding our development and the sales channels. We have a clear focus on some markets, like transportation, like the energy market, like the machinery market. And these are applications where we have a lot of know-how since decades. We employ more and more engineers in India to support our customers, and with our R&D investments and capabilities, our target is to invest, local products for the local market more and more.
We are very proud about our Vande Bharat trains, and your jumper cables are used in that. And I was there in HARTING last year for the press meet, and I was seeing jumper cables. And today, knowing that these jumper cables are used in one of the prime or very proud Indian manufactured train coaches is really wonderful.
Yeah, this also makes me personally very, very proud. We are in this market since 30 years. So we have a lot of experience, and especially now also the chance to develop own cables for that application. So you see also this is an idea where we can further develop the Indian market for us, with the right products.
The last question to you, I have seen, Germans are very proud about their Mittelstand companies, family-owned companies. I was very lucky to talk to your father last time, and there we were not talking about HARTING, we were talking about the biomass and how you are electrifying the villages, the entire HARTING office at Espelkamp. And you also very active in social media, I follow you there. And you also talk more about people, the relationship, the emotions, and that is where I believe HARTING is all about. What is the fundamental of HARTING?
Very fundamental is, that my parents have been working for decades. My father more than 50 years in the company, my mother almost 35 years. I work already 20 years this year in the company. My sister 17 years. So you see there's a long tradition. And we are not only shareholders, but we are really actively working in the company. We are actively shaping the company, and we give these values that we have, this trust and the things we believe in the family, really bring to our employees and to the management, to the board, over generations now. And this is really something special. And at least for the generation of my sister and myself, as long as we will work in our company, we are there and we are the living example, that these traditions are handed over also to the next generation, maybe of our own kids, but also of our employees. So this is really something that we stand for. And my target is now, my parents have internationalized the company. And now in the last years already, I have doubled our turnover globally. We employ more and more colleagues outside of Germany. And now the task of my sister and myself is that we bring these values, these traditions over to our employees also in India, in Romania, in China, in the US, so that they really know more about the family and the values behind. And this really is unique. So it's not anonymous, you can follow me, you can talk to me, our employees, and this is really something special. So that my family name is printed on the product is really something special. Yeah. So, and this is a differentiator for us.
Thank you very much. You have a very unique, very noble mission what you're carrying, and I wish you and your sister and the future generations all the very best.
Thank you so much, and thank you. I'm every time happy to see you. Thank you for joining us here in Osnabrück in Lower Saxony, 40 minutes away from Espelkamp, our headquarters. Looking to see you in Hanover or maybe in India.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.